Good morning guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I am very excited for today's vlog because it is a holiday weekend here in Korea. It's Chuseok, which is Korea's equivalent of like American Thanksgiving, and because of that I'm actually off work Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and I am going to be taking advantage of the long weekend and I'm gonna go see my friend Ollie, and he lives in Daegu, which is about like an hour and a half from Busan. He actually makes videos here on YouTube all about living and teaching and just all things South Korea. He's lived here for a while and I always get so many questions about the process of getting a job here and what Korea is like, and he is much more experienced here than I am. So if you have questions about South Korea, I definitely suggest going over to his channel and checking it out. Make sure you subscribe to him while you're over there. I will leave his link below. I'm going to be going to the train station in like 15 minutes and hopping on a train. It should only take, I think, about like an hour and a half or 2 hours to get there. Not far at all. And we're just gonna hang out, film videos. He's gonna show me his city. Daegu is the third largest city. So it's Seoul is the largest, Busan, which is where I am, and then Daegu is the third largest city. So I'm excited to see how it compares to Seoul and Busan. Anyways, before I pack up, I figured I would just show you guys everything I'm bringing. I'm only gonna be there for one night, so I'm packing obviously very light, but I thought I'd show you. So here's like an outfit for tomorrow, a hat, stuff to sleep in. This is a shirt I actually got for Ollie. He's a big Disney fan and I have the same shirt, and I just wanted to give him a little like Chuseok gift. Toiletries, of course. Here are my vitamins. I have 2 days supply because I don't take them until I eat, and I haven't eaten yet. I'm also gonna do a video all about how what vitamins I take and why, because, or maybe I'll just like mention it in a future vlog, but I really do have some stuff I want to share with you guys about this. Okay, makeup bag, little side purse, flat iron, camera charger, extended battery, AirPods, sunglasses, and that's about it. Oh, and my laptop, of course. I also am packing some of my language books so that if I'm on the train today or tomorrow and I want something to do, I can just browse through those. And I'm gonna pack this all in just a really simple little reusable bag. Alright guys, I found my train. Sitting on it, I'm just waiting. I think it leaves in like 10 minutes or something. Alright guys, so I am now with Ollie. We're at Daegu Station and we just had some really good lunch, and here's our drinks. What'd you order?
Mango, I don't remember.
Mango strawberry maybe? Pink.
Something.
Oh, this is good. It's mango.
Banana.
It's funny, this is a juice. It's totally like
Me as well.
It's like a smoothie, I feel like. Anyways though, we're just sitting down, talking, catching up. I'm showing him how I can kind of speak like very basic Korean. Okay, Ollie is a big Disney fan. I was like, have you been to Disney Tokyo? Because you guys know I went there in May. And he just goes, yeah, I've been to all of them. So he's gonna show us his mug collection up here. Where did you get them all?
Okay, a little bit sad, a little bit don't care. So this is from Disneyland California. This is the first one. And then Disney Cruise Line. I've done quite a lot of cruises with the
Casual.
company. Yeah, I think I'm a gold cruiser next time. So
Casual.
Go me. This is from the Walt Disney Family Museum, which is in San Francisco, and I genuinely took a flight all the way to San Francisco last year.
From Korea?
From Korea, specifically to go to this museum.
For this mug.
For this. Hong Kong Disneyland, really small.
Okay.
Shanghai Disneyland, I went when it opened and for the first year anniversary.
Okay.
This is from Disneyland Paris, which I went to this year.
Yeah, I've been there.
And then I don't have mugs from Tokyo, which I went to 2 years ago.
Okay.
I don't have mug from Walt Disney World.
So just another reason to go there, to get your mug.
Exactly.
And then here are the mug. I love this one. So we're about to have a cup of English tea because Ollie's from England. And this one is a really cute little Toy Story one. What's this one?
And this is The Good Dinosaur.
From
The Good Dinosaur.
Is that a movie?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's the like least grossing Pixar movie.
Okay, yeah, I've never heard of it. And then all the ears. I love all the ears. This is like the cutest decoration ever. in all of these years. Oh, and Ollie also has a dog. This is the first dog I've seen in almost, or first dog I've pet in almost a month. Hi, Kevin. We're in downtown. Wow. And here's the view. I'm at this really cute store called Wonder Place. It's 3 stories and they have 1 floor for vintage, 1 floor for women's. This is the women's floor. And they have 1 floor just for like Fila and Adidas and stuff like that. But everything is so cute. I got a little long sleeve sweatshirt type of thing to wear tonight just because it's a little cold. Okay, so it's later on now. I want to say it's about 9 o'clock.
Right.
Yeah, 9. Oh, this way. And so we went back to Ollie's place and we threw on just something a little bit warmer. And now we are gonna go out for a drink and maybe try and find face masks to do later. So far, I'm actually really impressed with daegu. I like it. I hadn't really done much research on it before I came. But it's so cute. It has so much character. There's like so much more to do here than I expected. So very pleasantly surprised. But here's where we are now. We're in like a bit of a different district from where we were before.
This is called Shijin.
Shijin.
And this is where all of the Korean people go out to drink. So
Okay.
This isn't like downtown.
So we're
like,
very local vibes.
yeah, really local, but like cool and underground.
Cool. Happy Chuseok! Oh wait, I need to show them like this little place we're in. So we are at a traditional Korean pub, and to give them the lowdown, like.
So in a traditional Korean pub, you get your own like booth, which you can see because this is actually a door.
Like we're in our own little room. So I got a honey face mask, right? Pretty normal. Ollie, however, got a potato face mask. So
funny.
I'm just confused. Like, I'm sure there's like so many benefits of potatoes on your face. Look at Kevin's little face. He's so sweet. And he makes me miss Cleo. Good morning, guys. So it's the next day now. Ollie and I had a lot of fun last night celebrating Chuseok and doing our face mask. But we just got some brekkie and we're now walking through this very like quaint little park area. There's so much character here where he lives. There's definitely like a lot of children, so there's playgrounds everywhere and a lot of nature. It's just like very laid back area. Yeah, I hear the crickets. This morning I think I heard like birds and stuff, which is funny. Like I hear birds where I live, but I just felt like I was in a much quieter area this morning, so it's nice. But today we are gonna do a little bit of filming for his channel. Once again, you guys need to go check out his channel. We're gonna be doing a video talking about my timeline of coming to Korea. So going through all the dates of like getting my job and getting all my documents together, because I told you guys it was a process. So if you want to hear about that, go watch his video. I'll have it linked below. And then we're also just gonna like go around daegu a little bit more, and then at about 5 o'clock I will be heading home. So we have the whole day ahead of us. We got up so early. Not really sure how I pulled that one off, but I'm here for it. Might crash later, but I'm here for it now. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated with what we do for the rest of the day.
If you enjoyed this video, I really recommend Adrienne's vlog while she is in daegu, and I really recommend my epic timeline video because subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye guys. Okay, so we went to the Cacao Friends store earlier and Ollie was so sweet and he got me a Chuseok gift. These Cacao Friend mints, a Ryan pen, because Ryan is like my favorite little emoticon. Pretty much Cacao is like the messaging app here, and these are the little emoticons, so that's the significance. And then also, my laptop has been looking very bare, like the case, so we got some Cacao Friend stickers. So this is Ryan, Peach, and I don't know.
JG,
Chi-Chi's not too popular on Kakao, I feel like.
Not really, but I think the name is really funny. It's a play on the Jay-Z. Of course I can't say Z.
It's Chi.
Yeah.
Oh, Korea.
Yeah. Well, Ryan is only called Ryan because Korean people can't pronounce lion. That is why they named him that, yeah.
Serious?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, how stinking cute. I love it. I think these ones are so cute.
I love that so much.
Alright guys, that is it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun with Ollie. Be sure to go check his channel out if you are interested in life in Korea. Let's help him get to 1,000 subscribers because he is so close. But I love you all so much, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye!